Now, DexCom is a global company headquartered in San Diego, California. It focuses on the development, manufacture, and distribution of continuous glucose monitoring systems for managing diabetes. And these systems enable individuals with diabetes to monitor their blood glucose levels consistently throughout the day, aiding in effective diabetes management. Now, DexCom has a very strong international presence, and when there are recessionary risks, healthcare companies can still remain profitable. And you can see here with the Seasonax screener, we can look at different sectors for the US S&P 500. Right now we're looking at the healthcare sector, and you can see that over the last 15 years that DexCom has gained 14 out of 15 times. And if we just click on the seasonal pattern, we see it's a very strong seasonal pattern with an excellent annualized return of over 115% and an average return of 13.18%. So is this worth looking at as we head into the summer months? Major trade risks. The major trade risk here, of course, is for some stock-specific news to DexCom that is negative, or if the seasonal pattern fails to hold up this year. Remember that HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial, and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.